Why, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got one from Umai Crate. Head over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider if you want to get yourself a discount. These are neat boxes. There's DIY stuff in there, there's just regular noodles, and usually there's a little bonus item. So let's crack this one open and see what's inside. So when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is this informative pamphlet. You'll see here, this is indeed the August 2021 Umai Crate. And if you look inside, there's information about all the different varieties that are within and how to prepare them and this and that and the other thing. If you don't know how to decipher instant noodle cooking instructions from Japan, you don't want to lose this, so don't. And you also get a recipe card that gives you a recipe that'll work with some of the ingredients you'll find inside. Alright, well, let's go through everything in this box and see what we got here. First off, we've got one from Sakurai Foods. This is their vegetarian stir-fried noodle. Yeah, these guys make some really tasty stuff, and this line that has this kid on the front, very, very good. They'll have the soy milk one coming next month, I'll bet, and that one is my favorite, but all of them are quite good, so this is a score. And in this month's box, we also have an Itomen variety. This is a vegetable and seafood ramen soup. They've included a few of these Itomen varieties from this range recently, and they've all been good, so yeah. Next up, since it's summer, it wouldn't be summer without cold noodles, and this is a cold chuka soba. So it's got a soy sauce base. It's going to be a little bit sweet. You basically cook the noodles, drain them, run them under cold water, and then add the stuff on top, stir them up, and you're good to go. Good with vegetables like some tomatoes, some cucumber, stuff like that. So good stuff. Next up, one from Daikoku. This is their cold tanuki udon, and again, it's the same thing. Cook, drain, rinse. This one's a tanuki udon, so this might have some tempura with it, I'm guessing. So yeah. Next up, I believe we have a variety from Yamamoto. This is a vegetable ramen with a shoyu base. I don't recognize this one. I'm guessing it's going to be all right. The Yamamoto company stuff is usually pretty good. So I'll have to give this one a try. Thanks. Here's a Marushan variety. This is Mini Maru Somen. So it's just basically a somen cup, which is a different kind of noodle. Usually really thin. And Marushan makes it. So I know I haven't tried this one. So that's cool. Looking forward to it. And at the moment, I can't tell which manufacturer it is. It's either Itsuki or Wumu. Their variety or their logos are slightly similar. So, but this is a green tea soba, and I'm guessing this is going to go with the recipe card. Interesting looking, and also from the image here, it looks like it's a dipping noodle. So that's fun too. And here's an interesting little cup. This is called 5 Grains Soup. So this one doesn't come with noodles. You might want to use that green tea soba with it. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is a soup. So you could use this with another noodle and, have soup and noodle, whatever you want to do. So, soup. And now it's time for the bonus item. This month's bonus item is Furi Arare. This colorful arare will make your average dish more fun and wild. You can enjoy as much as you like with your favorite foods and dishes. It can be used with a variety of dishes, such as for lunch boxes, ice cream, and salad toppings. Try it with rice ball, salad, ice cream, and noodles. Alright, so in the August 2021 Umai Crate, you get some soup, a cold noodle, a little somen, vegetarian stir-fried noodle, soy sauce noodle, seafood and vegetable noodle, cold tanuki udon, green tea noodle, furi arare, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Wow, so a pretty overflowing box for this month. Thanks for sending it over. Yeah, this is the August box. When this comes out, you'll probably still be able to get this one if you want to get this exact one, but they come out with different stuff every month, so you can subscribe to it, check it out. Go to japancrate.com, check out the Umai crates, and when you do, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider and get yourself a discount. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.